In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the filters on your ECOVACS DEEBOT. This is a model number DN622, and it also might be known as an N79. This actually has 3 filters. So you take the canister out, which I'm sure you've done before, and they're all located in this canister. And they're right here, actually. These 3 filters. So open it up like this, and this one you just pull up with these little handles. I actually just cleaned this filter, so it's not too bad. Yours might be pretty nasty. And then you take a replacement filter, or you can just clean your old filter. You set it right in here. As a note, this is a new filter and it's a little tight, so that might wear in, but that's okay. Just make sure that it snaps together right there. And then you open this up and you have this handy little tab right here where you pull this up and then this. You can change those out. Put this one in first. Make sure it sits in this square right here. And then the same thing with this. Put that little tag up like this and set it right in that square. Just like that. Snap that back into place. Reinstall the canister. And you're good to go. So if you didn't know how to do it, you have one of these. Hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.